Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining the research question and the exact variables you need. This forces clarity about what counts as a valid dataset. Once done, estimate sample size and time span so you can filter sources by scale. Make sure to pick data formats that match your tools: CSV for tables, JSON for nested records, image folders for CV. Starting with these concrete specs saves time and prevents collecting irrelevant data later. You next hunt for candidate datasets across institutional archives, government portals, academic repositories, and domain-specific databases. Prioritize sources aligned with your topic. While browsing, evaluate quality by checking completeness, known biases, update frequency, and licensing constraints so you avoid legal surprises. Once you find promising options, download a small sample to test the schema, units, and formats. This quick trial reveals hidden issues and helps you choose the cleanest, most usable dataset. You now acquire the selected dataset, convert formats as needed, and run initial cleaning. Fix types, normalize units, and handle missing values so analysis can proceed. Make sure to document provenance, version numbers, access dates, and any transformations to maintain reproducibility and comply with licenses. Finally, archive raw and processed copies with clear file names and a README. If something goes wrong, check sample files and metadata first. Mismatched schemas are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.